everyone, it's Miss Lizzie, and today we are going to be learning how to make a little bird feeder for your bird friends. You can hang it in a tree in your yard. We are going to be making them out of toilet paper rolls. So in your kit, you should have 2 toilet paper rolls, a little jar of bird seed, a plate that you can dump the bird seed out on, you'll see in a minute, a packet of pumpkin seed butter that we're going to attach the bird seed to the toilet paper roll with. The popsicle stick is for spreading your butter on your toilet paper roll. And then you have a piece of yarn that you can put in at the end to hang your toilet paper roll from a tree so the birds can come eat. And you also have some information about birds you might see in your yard and a bird coloring page. And a sticker, just for fun. All right, so we are going to go ahead and I'm going to pour my bird seed into the plate. And you're probably going to end up with some extra bird seed, and you can just sprinkle that in your yard so birds and squirrels can come eat it. So I'm going to open up my little packet of pumpkin seed butter. And what we're going to do is spread the pumpkin seed butter all over the toilet paper tube. It's probably going to be a little bit messy. I'm going to squeeze it out. On the tube here. And then when you've got a significant amount on there, I'm just going to take my tongue depressor or popsicle stick and spread it out a little better so that it covers the whole tube. It doesn't really matter if there's a couple spots missing or if there's like a lumpy spots or anything like that. But in general, you want to get most of the tube covered in the pumpkin seed butter. And then I have my plate full of the bird seed. I'm going to take my tube and I'm going to just roll it all around in the bird seed. And you'll see that the bird seed starts to coat the tube. So you can do that with both tubes if you want. You should have enough to do that. And then, once you're done, you may need some scissors if you want to use this piece of yarn for both tubes. But I'm just going to make the one right now. Take it like this. Tie a knot, or get your mom or dad to tie a knot here. You can go ahead and hang it in a tree or a bush in your yard. You can hang it from your porch or anywhere that a bird will see it and be interested in doing some snacking. So we would love to see your finished products. If you want to send Miss Gwen an email at ggatto@lmls.org, ggatto@lmls.org. We'd love to hear how you guys did and if you end up seeing any birds. Thanks so much.